Sean's Boosted Garage here again. You ever use your screwdriver as a pry bar and broke the end off? I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I generally go and flatten the end off first. If it's jagged or angled or whatever, just flatten it off first. You should dress your wheel too, just to take care of any high or low spots. Generally like to have it nice and flat across. Mine's not too bad, so we'll see how I can do with it. But anyways, this is how you do it. Okay, so there you go. Here it is. It's all ground off on the end. I mean, it doesn't look as nice as when it comes from the factory, but hey, it's usable again. You don't have to throw it out. And if you take a little more time, you can make it better than this. But anyways, it's definitely usable again. It's not sharpened off like a chisel, some people do that. Now it's a square end, which is what it's supposed to be. So anyways, hopefully you find this handy, helpful. And if you could like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.